Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and I'm in a mess. I've just been experimenting and haven't been that happy with it. I've got another idea which I'm going to give a try, so let's get started. So I'm on the spinner, I've got my pillow paint here. Pop that on and I'm going to try and get my loaded palette swipe through the middle, and I want to keep it extremely simple. Yeah, so I'm going to go black. I've got a really nice bright, actually I'm going to wipe that off because I was thinking not to put as much of that on, just more in the middle and leave a bit of the edge for some colour. I don't know if that's going to work. Might give a bit of a blend on the edges. That's my idea anyway. So I've got some bright blue, got some sky blue, I've got some Prussian phthalo blue, which I'll put that on the side as well, and then I've got some gold, alright, let's try that. Now I just did what I didn't want to do, which is put my colour on the outside. So the next one I'm going to swipe from here. And I'm not really sure what's happened there either. Let's scoop this. Yeah, alright, I'm going to swipe from the middle. Let's do that. The bright blue is really pretty. I want to get a little bit of the light blue in as well. And then a pop of the dark. And some gold. Let's just keep it at those colours. Scoop and drag this way. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. And scoop this up as well. That hasn't got much in the way of cells in it. Let's just see if we can pop a little bit. This is where I've got to be careful because I don't want it to get busy. Like that. And then I'm going to move it more centered. like that. Now, is that enough paint? Do I need to add a bit more white? I think I will add a little bit more white. Just to these corners. And let's give it a spin. Okay, so I need a bit more white. Let's spin again. Gonna have to spin it a bit more. So I didn't quite have enough paint this time. Give it another spin. Yep, I like this. We have a winner. Cool. I'll bring you in for a wet look. Okay, here it is wet. I really like the drag that I did here. That turned out really pretty. I like the color of it and the occasional little bubble cell. And this is a nice bright piece, and then we've got a bit of a blend going through here. I did tilt it slightly after I turned the camera off, just to bring it this way a little bit, just to balance it out. But yes, very happy with this result. After the first couple that I did, I was, feeling defeated. So don't give up, guys. Take each one as a learning experience. I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and I love it. It's very pretty. A little bit of shine, not a huge amount, just a bit of a shimmer. And yeah, I really love the way the scoop and drag worked. The sides turned out really well. So this one I can definitely sell. I just need to put a varnish on it, varnish coat, or I could do resin, but I'm tempted not to do resin on my white ones now, I think, because I worry about them yellowing over time. So I'll probably varnish it. Yeah. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.